You're staring at a chart, lines zigzagging, numbers flashing, and you're trying to figure out if you should buy or sell. You've heard about this platform called TradingView. Everyone seems to be using it, but a nagging question lingers. Is it really reliable? I mean, can you trust it with your hard-earned money? We've all been there, right? Diving into the world of trading feels like navigating a maze blindfolded. You're bombarded with information, opinions, and tools, and you're desperately trying to find a solid footing. TradingView pops up as this seemingly indispensable tool, offering everything from real-time charts to complex analysis. But, just because it's popular, doesn't automatically mean it's foolproof. Let's break it down. What makes a platform reliable anyway? For traders, it boils down to a few key factors: data accuracy, platform stability, and the trustworthiness of its tools and community. First, data accuracy. If the numbers are off, your analysis is useless. TradingView pulls data from a variety of sources, and while they strive for accuracy, discrepancies can happen. It's crucial to understand that no platform is perfect. Sometimes, there might be slight delays or minor errors, especially during periods of high volatility. However, TradingView's reputation for aggregating data from reputable exchanges is generally strong. They provide disclaimers and allow users to select data feeds, which helps to mitigate some of these risks. Next, platform stability. Imagine your perfect trade setup, and then the platform crashes right before you execute. Frustrating, right? TradingView's cloud-based infrastructure generally provides a stable experience. They invest in their servers and infrastructure, trying to minimize downtime. However, like any online service, they are not immune to technical glitches, especially during high traffic. Users should be aware that internet connectivity and personal computer performance can also affect the platform's stability. Then there's the trustworthiness of its tools and community. TradingView offers a vast array of technical indicators, drawing tools, and scripting capabilities. The quality of these tools is generally high, but it's essential to understand how they work and their limitations. The community aspect, with shared charts and ideas, can be incredibly valuable. However, it's also a double-edged sword. You'll find insightful analysis, but also a lot of noise and potentially biased opinions. It's crucial to filter information and conduct your own due diligence. Don't blindly follow anyone's advice, no matter how convincing they sound. Ultimately, TradingView is a powerful tool, but it's just that, a tool. It's not a magic crystal ball that guarantees profits. Its reliability hinges on how you use it. If you rely solely on its signals without understanding the underlying market dynamics, you're setting yourself up for potential losses. Think of it like a GPS. It can guide you to your destination, but it's still your responsibility to drive safely and pay attention to the road. TradingView provides the map, but you're the one navigating the market. You need to verify data, understand your tools, and make informed decisions. Don't treat it as an infallible source of truth. Use it as a part of your trading toolkit, alongside your own research and analysis. Remember, no platform can eliminate the inherent risks of trading. It's up to you to manage those risks and make responsible decisions. So, is TradingView reliable? In the context of providing accurate data, stable platform, and useful tools, yes, it's generally considered reliable. But, remember, reliability doesn't equate to guaranteed success. Your success depends on your own skill, knowledge, and discipline. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.